finch, linnet, bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? How can you jubilate sitting in cages, never taking wing? Outside the sky went backward, just beyond the bars. How can you remain starting at the rain, balanced by the sky? How is it you see anything? How is it you see? Green finch, linnet, bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you see? Whence comes this melody constantly flowing? Is this rejoicing only hollow? Are you discussing or fussing or simply dreaming? Are you crowing? Are you screaming? Ringtones and robinet, is this for wages, singing to be sung? Have you decided in separate cages, singing when you're done? My cage has many rooms, are resettled, nothing there seen, not even my Lord. Lords never really know when they're captive. Teach me to be more adaptive. Green finch, linnet, bird, nightingale, blackbird, teach me how to see.